Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review just to show you this beautiful casserole baking dish that I got recently from Le Creuset. I absolutely love this brand. I've been slowly buying a few things here and there from this brand. And this is my first casserole baking dish that I get for my collection. I absolutely love this thing, and one of the things that I really like about this brand is how it never leaves any stain after cooking or after using it. Very easy to wash this off. Even if you make those cheesy dishes, you know, that sometimes when you put it in the oven, the crust gets very thick. It's not gonna be super hard to wash this off. You don't need to scrape anything or, you know, like to scratch the dish. It will easily come off if you put a little bit of water, wait a little bit, and then you can just use a sponge and clean it. Love it. I love how easy it is to clean this. And I feel like that's why I love this brand so much. I also think that it's such a beautiful color. I've been buying this color right here, which is like a light bluish green. I forgot the name of this color, but I just love this in my kitchen. I have a white kitchen. I think this looks so good. The handle, it's very well made, and I love how they make this. It makes things so much easier when you're trying to pull this out of the oven. It's kind of like curved, as you can see right here. So this curve, and it has a little lip here too, so when you grab it, it doesn't like slip from your hand. So I feel like they thought about every single detail with this dish, this baking dish, and that's why I like it so much. The top is very heavy. Be careful when you're putting this over, because I've seen some of my friends tipping the edge or the paint color, so just be careful. This, you know, it's a very durable baking dish, but you know, if you don't take care, it can break or it can scratch. But overall, I love this. Highly recommend it. And yeah, if you never had this brand before, you should definitely give it a try. You're gonna love it.